Before the sun comes up, she already on the clock. No time card, no paycheck, no days off. But somehow, she keeps the whole world moving. Yeah. This one's for the moms. 6 in the morning, alarm don't ring. Baby already crying, hear the little one sing. Coffee getting cold while she's packing that lunch. Looking for the backpack, making cereal and brunch. Mom, where's my shoes? Mom, where's my phone? Everybody needs something, she ain't never alone. Laundry doing circles, dishes stacked high. Still got a smile when the kids walk by. Hair in the bun, leggings in the tee. Running that house like a Fortune 500 company. Calendar pack, every minute on lock. Doctor at 11, soccer practice at 5 o'clock. Nobody sees every little thing she does. All of the work, all of the love. No spotlight, no applause, but she's still the reason that the whole house runs. CEO of the home, running that kingdom all day long. Breakfast, homework, bills and clothes. 20 different jobs and she handles them all. CEO of the home, CEO of the home, making everybody feel like they belong. She might get tired but she stays strong. Mama keeps the whole world moving on. Mama move, mama move. Everybody in the house know what mama do. Mama move, mama move. From the sunrise straight to the afternoon. Mama move, mama move. Bassline hitting while she's cleaning the room. Mama move, mama move. Whole house dancing when mama finds her groove. Now it's 9:15, finally dropped them at school. Back to the house, got 100 things to do. Back in the floor, groceries on the list. 3 missed calls and a doctor's appointment. Amazon package sitting by the door. Dog needs walking and she's mopping the floor. Bills on the counter, dinner got a thought. Then the school calls, can you come get your child? Here we go. CEO of the home master. CEO of the home master. Jump in the ride, she changing the plan. Doing 10 things with 2 little hands. Teaching these cupcakes by Friday at 3. Family needs everything, just ask mommy. But sometimes when the house gets quiet and nobody's around, she sits for a moment and finally slows down. She remembers the dreams that she carries inside. She's more than the laundry, the meals and the ride. She's a woman with purpose, a heart full of fire. Still building the dreams, still reaching higher. And every little life that she's helping to grow will remember her love long after they leave home, 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 home. And the bass comes back. Bass comes back. Bass comes back. Bass comes back. Bass, mama, bass, mama, bass, mama, mama back on the move. Mama, 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 mama. 3:30 hits and the doors fly wide. Kids coming home like a hurricane inside. Can I get a snack? Can my friend come through? I forgot my homework. Mom, what do I do? She's chef, she's coach, she's teacher, referee, counselor, nurse, and family CEO. Dinner on the stove while she's checking that math. Breaking up an argument and running the bath. Daddy walks in like, baby, how was your day? She looks at him smiling like, where do I start? She's a CEO of the home, running that kingdom all day long. Breakfast, homework, bills and clothes. 20 different jobs and she handles them all. CEO of the home, making everybody feel like they belong. She might get tired but she stays strong. Mama keeps the whole world moving on. CEO of the home. don't ever think your work doesn't count. CEO, CEO for the home. Mama keeps the whole world moving on.